Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the wrong code try again error in Google Authenticator. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable as some apps may need it to sync properly. Then, check your phone's date and time settings. For that, open your settings app. Then, tap on General. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. After that, open Google Authenticator and verify if the codes are still not working. If the problem continues, try removing the account from the app and re-adding it using the QR code or setup key from the website or service. Next, restart your phone and open the app again. This often refreshes the connection and resolves minor sync issues. Now, if the error still appears, make sure you're entering the most recent 6-digit codes as the code refreshes every 30 seconds. And that's all. These steps should fix the wrong code try again error in Google Authenticator. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.